London King's Cross Station is a symbol of transformation, both architecturally and culturally. Opened in 1852, it was designed by Lewis Cubitt for the Great Northern Railway as a simple yet functional hub for the growing industrial metropolis. Originally, the station was lauded for its minimalist design, featuring 2 vast train sheds and an Italianate clock tower. In its early days, the station was the starting point for iconic services like the Flying Scotsman, connecting London to the north, including major cities like Edinburgh, Leeds, and Newcastle. However, as the 20th century progressed, King's Cross began to decline. By the 1960s and 70s, under British Rail, the station became notorious for its drab and outdated design, with unsightly modifications and a poorly conceived modern frontage added to accommodate increased traffic. This period saw King's Cross surrounded by urban decay, with the area becoming known for its seediness, rife with crime, and neglected infrastructure. The Grand Victorian station that once represented innovation had become run-down and unattractive. A much-needed renaissance. King's Cross underwent a £500 million redevelopment starting in the late 1990s, transforming it into a world-class transport hub. The highlight of this transformation was the construction of the Western Concourse, Europe's largest single-span station structure, completed in 2012. The concourse, a striking semicircular design supported by 16 steel tree-like columns, became an architectural centrepiece, restoring grandeur to the station while integrating modern amenities and vastly improving passenger flow. In tandem with this architectural renewal, the area around King's Cross saw significant regeneration, evolving into a thriving cultural and commercial hub. The station's Grade 1 listed facade, long obscured by poor mid-century designs, was meticulously restored, and a new public square was created to open up the site. Today, King's Cross is not only a bustling railway station, but also a destination in its own right, with shops, restaurants, and leisure spaces. King's Cross is also famous for its connection to popular culture, most notably as the setting for Platform 9 3/4, the fictional departure point for the Hogwarts Express in the Harry Potter series. A dedicated area, complete with a luggage trolley disappearing into a brick wall, has become a pilgrimage site for fans worldwide. Looking to the future, King's Cross remains a vital part of London's transport network, serving long-distance routes along the East Coast Main Line to the north, as well as suburban and regional services operated by Great Northern. Its transformation into a sleek, modern hub is complete, but the station continues to evolve, with ongoing enhancements to accommodate ever-increasing passenger numbers. The story of King's Cross is one of resilience and rebirth. From its rundown days to its current status as a stunning example of modern transport infrastructure, the station has once again become a focal point of London. Its revival is a testament to the blending of heritage and progress, capturing the essence of a station that, much like the city itself, constantly reinvents itself.